What did he say? Spanish jumping? Got Spanish in the area. Got pelicans. Got the sunshine. Now we just need the kings. Oh, I saw that Spanish. Right in front of you. Yeah. Spanish just jumped 6 feet out of the water over there. Attitude is crazy out here about surf launching. Everyone is just like, get out there and not die. And then getting back, accept the fact that you're gonna get smashed into the beach, stow everything, and who cares? It is, I guess, easier when the water is 70 degrees and the air is 80 degrees. Not like November in New Jersey. But the seas are very big down here. This is the southern facing Carolina shoreline. Not nearly as big as the eastern facing beaches either, we saw yesterday. Whoa! Oh, hizzle. We've got tailing Spanish. Yo, there's Spanish right here. Oh. Oh, they're right here. Oh, fish on. Got him. Spaniard. No, I was using an epoxy. Oh yeah, they don't work. Heck yeah. Spanish mackerel. It's flattening out. Oh yeah. That's Spanish life, son. Cool fish. First kayak Spanish mackerel. I'm gonna drop this off to Elias. We're gonna bleed them out. Heck yeah. And Elias wants to head to the reef. Looks like that's where we're heading. Let's go. And we'll troll this on the way. Ooh. Yeah, there's a lot of Spanish out here. I see a lot of fish jumping. They're a little further out today than they were yesterday. That's for sure. Yeah, dude. Are we on the reef right now? No. What's it running like, son? A striper? Googan! Googan!
Fish are breaking just to the right of you. I thought you lost that.
He thought he did too. It was running so fast. How much further to the reef?
Good gravy!
Is that a spinner?
Yeah. Yep.
Was it a king or a spinner?
Spinner. Spinner.
Oh.
Spinner.
Get me away from that.
He's mad.
He is angry. Eli and the Sharks. That's his new band. Eli and the Sharks. Oh, fish on, right away. Spanish Macs are in the slick, just like Albies. Oh, he just saw me. This one's a little bigger. This is a little bit bigger Spanish here. Woo! Oh, dang. This one's no joke. Wow. Yeah, a little different than the first one, this tail pump. Oh. Come on. Oh, God. Oh my Lord. This is why they gaff these fish, I guess. Oh, yeah. That's a nice Spaniard. Whew. Very nice. I think this Spaniard, I'm just gonna release. Yeah, look at that fish. Whew. I like that.
Got a king on the beach.
Yeah, I got a nice Spanish here. All right, Spanish. There he goes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, here we are. We abandoned North Carolina. I've been doing a terrible job narrating this video. I went to Carolina with Elias. Fishing was alright. Wind was tough. I just had my first miracle. I got out here in my seat. Felt funny and I came back. When I got here I noticed that this screw was missing and it was nowhere in my kayak, but it was in my truck bed. Such a miracle. The seat would really suck without this screw. That's gonna be miracle number 1 of this day at Peak. This is what we're launching into today. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna take a video for my buddy Mike. It's flat. Skies are fair. The flounder and the tautog and the sheep's head will be hungry. Oh, so we drove 6 hours last night, slept from 6 to 12, got up at midnight, drove straight through from Wilmington, North Carolina to here. I'm going to try and get the easier species checked off today. Flounder, blackfish, maybe sheep's head, and tomorrow go for drum. It's looking pretty amazing out here right now. I gotta capitalize on these conditions for sure. It's like some raging, rippling current and swell out here. Woo! Dang, look at that current. Woo! Bugs over here?
Over there and over here.
Yeah. This raging riptide though looks good.
Yeah. I know, once you start fishing.
Oh, the bugs, yeah. Wow, there's no wind over here, you're right.
There's no wind anywhere.
Nice toggy. Yeah. Yep. Oh. Yeah. Nice tog on the shrimp. Whew. What? How big do they have to be? 16? Oh yeah, we good. Son.
I don't know, man.
And no life.
I think I gotta go to shore, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Catch nothing. They're catching something. Looks cloudy over there.
On the other side? On there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know. It looks bad. It's one thing that's keeping me from going in, is I don't want to deal with that right now. Very sloppy. I feel bad killing this one totage now. Thought it was the start of something stupendous.
It's like, yo, nothing hits me in the face. I'm done.